I'm Clara, and today I'm going to explain everything you need to know about teeth whitening for you before you buy it. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you need to know about teeth whitening for you is, be careful about the website where you are going to buy it, because teeth whitening for you is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the official web link below in the description of this video. So what is teeth whitening for you, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, teeth whitening for you works. Now it is finally possible to whiten your teeth naturally and healthily without going to the dentist. This brand new product has already been tested by thousands of beta users and the feedback has been excellent. It even contains ingredients rich in natural nutrients that can easily and healthily strengthen and whiten your teeth, leaving them white and shining. Of course, the results have been proven many times over. There is no doubt that this is a very effective way to whiten your teeth, raising your self-esteem, and the confidence to look in the mirror and give that ear-to-ear smile. Teeth whitening for you makes your teeth white and beautiful in a matter of weeks. You will already see results. So yes, you can trust this product. There are already many people having excellent results with teeth whitening for you, and you can get results too. However, you have to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I say this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can test teeth whitening for you for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like them for any reason, they will refund your money. Also, for teeth whitening for you to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. If you have low self-esteem, feel ugly, don't smile because you are ashamed to show your yellow teeth, I know how you are feeling because I went through this some years ago, and today, thanks to teeth whitening for you, I am happy with my white teeth and full of brightness, all this without harming my health. That's why I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the official web where you will buy teeth whitening for you. If you buy the product, remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that the product will help improve your life, and many other benefits that teeth whitening for you promotes.